Nice little Polo, 1.25 door, 2011, done 88,000 miles, that's a guess then. It's got GTI front grille, upgrade GTI style 17-inch wheels, privacy glass, black pack, GTI rear spoiler in piano black. Lovely little car. Look at that, beautiful, looks like that, real eyeful. Now, this was actually my son's car, who's had it for a year and a half, and I've upgraded him to exactly the same car in red, but 2016. Done the same again, wheels, blah 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 blah. It's going on sale at 4,995. Now, to give you an idea how good value that is, privacy glass is £399 to have done. The wheels are about £800 plus VAT, so that's £1,000. The GTI front grille was about £200, and the rear spoiler was about £250. So, you know, you're getting a lot of kit there for the money. You can buy it no deposit, £99 a month, part exchange, nationwide delivery and price match. Give us a call.